Hi there, I'm Julia and I work at Hope for the Future. We're a climate communications charity based in Sheffield. Our work is all about helping people to have better conversations with their elected representatives about climate change. For example, you've got a local councillor at your local level and also an MP at a national level. Those are the people in power who can help you to create real change in your community. We think it's really important to be passionate about climate change and to translate this passion into action, because all of the choices we can make on a daily basis are influenced by climate change policy. And at the end of the day, it's our councillors and MPs who are in charge of that policy. For example, how we travel to school or to work, how clean the air we breathe, and how green the electricity that heats our homes, all of that is influenced by climate policy. So, what can you do about this really important issue? The first thing you can do is do a bit of research. Find out more about your local MP. There's a really great website called theyworkforyou.co.uk where you can find out all about their voting history and their interests. Number 2, write them an email. Firstly, introduce yourself. Make yourself really personable and someone that they want to get to know. Tell them why you're passionate about tackling climate change, what you're doing in your local community and in your life to tackle it, and then ask them, what are they doing to tackle climate change? And number 3, meet with them. It's in person, face to face, that we can really change hearts and minds and make real change on this issue. Why not invite them to your school, your college or your youth club? The more people they hear from, the better.